What's up, everybody? Dave here doing some laundry this morning. And just wanted to show you something you've seen on my channel for the past year or two. The little Neato D7 autonomous vacuum, which is underneath the chest of drawers right now. So you wonder, what lazy ass is going to have one of these automatic vacuums? Actually, it's not about being lazy. In fact, it's more about multitasking, because if you've got guests coming over or whatever your reason is, you can multitask by letting that little thing do its job, including under the bed, which no one vacuums until they move. So these little things are great for getting under furniture, and as well as knocking it out while you do something else. That's my main reason for having one of these. I am definitely not lazy. In fact, I'm constantly doing something. I never have a chance to sit down, actually. So, I recommend them. I'll put a link down below for the playlist of what else this little guy can do and some maintenance and things. And you see he's underneath the bed doing it now. See that little laser tracking its path? That's the little flickering you see going on. Very easy to use, not very expensive. It'll find its charging station when it's done, so you don't have to do anything except empty its little debris bin when it's finished. And they're fun to watch, quite honestly. They're fun to let them do their thing while you do other stuff around the house. Anyway, that's it. Check out our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff that you might like. And Google Horsepower House. We're all over the internet, including Facebook, 2 YouTube channels, eBay and Amazon, mostly selling specialty parts and tools for power sport vehicles, motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, stuff like that. Check it out. Y'all have a great day. Little Dan the Neato D7. That's what I call him, Dan the Man, because he's awesome. And if you have never tried one, I highly recommend it. Y'all have a great day. See y'all later.